The AlorAir 180 PPD Dehumidifier is a robust commercial-grade device designed to efficiently remove moisture from large spaces, making it ideal for industrial and water damage restoration purposes. With its compact design, the dehumidifier is 40% smaller than similar models, allowing it to fit seamlessly in various settings such as basements and job sites. Equipped with user-friendly features like auto-restart and auto-defrost, this dehumidifier minimizes the need for supervision, providing peace of mind during extended operations. The unit is highly portable thanks to its retractable handle and wheels, making it easy to move and position wherever moisture control is needed. Operating the dehumidifier is straightforward with its plug-and-go functionality, allowing users to set desired humidity levels effortlessly. Offering a 5-year limited warranty, the AlorAir 180 PPD Dehumidifier ensures reliability and comes with dedicated customer support for any assistance required.